Okay, guys, one final run through on WordPress just because I know you guys can't get enough. Certainly, there'll be a review session on Sunday where you can learn more and more, but my philosophy with this stuff is to just jump right in and start learning. So, there are a few things that we did not go over in class that I'll give you some insights on. Um, when you download your theme, because like I said, everyone's theme is going to be different. Under appearance, there should be something called theme options. Okay, and so again, WordPress is all about flexibility, and depending upon the theme that you pick, people are trying to give you the flexibility to change elements without knowing the code. And so you have some options here. You know, these are the options with this theme, and let's explore some of them. And you'll be able to find some flexibility or options with your theme under appearance theme options. You may also want to look for the theme name. There may be a tab that shows up with the theme name within the admin area. Just feel free to explore it. So we'll change this up a little bit, and we'll change this appearance, the color scheme to dark, and it looks like the default layout. Features the content on the left, but we'll change it to the content on the right. And we'll hit Save Changes and see what happens. So I'll refresh the page, and look at that. This is a lot different than what we have. So this is all, features the color that we chose, and you know, the content has been moved to the left-hand or right-hand side. I know, very, very exciting stuff. Let's go back and we'll change it back. I usually like to use lighter colors in WordPress and websites in general, just because the darker colors, it's like the philosophy is, would you read a newspaper with dark background? You know what I mean? People are used to reading copy on a light background, and so using a lighter background on your WordPress site may be conducive to people staying on the site more. So you may want to keep that in mind. Let's see, background. Okay, right now I don't have a background image in there. I can change the background color here. Let's just have some fun with this. And we'll put Lloyd Christmas as our background. How's that? We'll open it up and we'll see. We'll upload it and see what happens. Whoa, that's kind of scary. It's like the old MySpace site, right? We'll go ahead and save it. Now you have some options here. You can not repeat it. You could tile horizontally. You could tile vertically. Let's just tile it. And there are some other options here. We could center it, I guess you could say. Right align it. I'll just left align it and hit Save Changes. I don't recommend doing this. I'm just giving you the giving you the ability to see the flexibility in WordPress. And there we go. Right? Exciting stuff. Let's just get this off of here. Okay, back to normal. Yeah, if you wanted to change the background color, let's just see if we I mean, you can select a color here. I'll spare you the Bob Ross routine. Let's go ahead and change a color here. We'll hit Save Colors. It's just going to make the background gray. Again, this is what drove MySpace to way down, was because the funky designs and the too much flexibility. And again, I'm encouraging you to be keep this assignment simple. Keep the site design simple. I'll hit Save Changes, and we'll put that white background back in place. Let's go to the header. People were asking about how to change the image in the header. By default, it looks like it's rotating randomly. If you wanted to change this, you could go to your computer. Now, it tells you to have an image of 1000 by 288. I know this image isn't going to be that, but we'll pop Murph in there. Just because he's so happy to be down in Athens on New South. See if I can change this at all. Yeah, we'll get him. We'll get the little guy in there, and I'll crop and publish. Okay, and I think I have to save this. Save the changes. So now we've changed this image from, I noticed that the background didn't change on this. That's odd. We'll go back and change that too. We've changed the photo of Murph in here. Let's go back and change this theme options to, there was the problem. save changes. Must not have saved. Sorry, guys. There we go. Still looks a little funky here. But let's see if I can reset the default settings. Oh, it looks like I can't. That's awesome. Well, again, this is just meant to show you some extras in here. Let's go into the editor here. What else is in there? Okay, yeah, you want to stay out of that. That's the code. Let's see, background. Okay, just clear it. Maybe that's the issue. Again, I'm just kind of winging it here, guys. Just to there we go. Okay, so there's a gray background, and it was just done by changing that. So little guy's in there. He's ready to go back into the car and go for a ride back to Columbus. But for now, he's immortalized on my sample website. So play around with it, guys, and hopefully you'll have some fun. Thanks.